If you're a beginner in content creation and you want to venture into AI and you want viral AI tutorials, you want viral AI that goes viral very quickly, this video will do the magic for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be taking bit by bit, step by step on how to start that AI journey and start making money just like how people are making money, especially if you're somebody that is shy to come up on camera. Yes, I've seen a lot of people that want to do content creation, but they are shy. They don't want to show themselves. They are shy talking to their camera just like this. But in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys step by step. Yes, come closer because I'm going to be showing every details on how you can start your AI journey without showing your face. Yes, not the popular folktales that you know, because you know that creating AI images, creating AI videos is not free. This app requires you to subscribe to the app. Like you have to do a monthly subscription and you have to do a yearly subscription, especially if you're into storytelling. Like, you know, there are different AIs, so you know that for you to actually achieve a 30-minute video, you have to actually pay to use that particular app, right? But this video is a hack. Yes, this video is a hack because you're going to be doing all of this for free and your videos are going to be going viral. This is something that has worked for me, and so based on experience, I'm teaching you guys how to do this and also make money. So just imagine when you post a video and you're getting 1 million views in a day, or you're getting 1 million views in 1 week, you're going to be earning on that particular video if you're monetized. So this AI things can work for YouTube, it can work for TikTok. I don't know, Facebook. You know, Facebook has its own rule for this AI tutorial. The ones I already use it on is on YouTube and on TikTok, and it works very well. So you guys come in, listen to this video because it's going to be well detailed. All you have to do is take your chair, sit down and listen. So let's dive in. Section 1, all you have to do, the apps that you need to start this AI tutorial or this AI videos. I'm going to be mentioning the apps. You need your TikTok or your YouTube app, then you need your Chrome browser or your Firefox, Brave browser, whatever browser that you want. And then we need, after that, what you need is your CapCut as well. Yes, you need your CapCut. So these are the apps that you really need. You don't need any other apps. And okay, another app you also need is ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs is the one you're going to be using to do your voiceover. So the niche that I'm going to advise you now to venture in, if you are somebody that is a beginner on AI, yes, you want to do AI but you're a beginner, this is the app for you. So you want to make sure that your videos are 1 minute and longer. Yes, because you have to be creating videos that are 1 minute and longer. Then if it's for YouTube, you should make your videos 3 minutes and longer. You can make it 10 minutes, you can make it 12 minutes. Yes, so if you want to venture on YouTube, you have to create a fresh page for this particular thing, and you have to make sure that you incorporate this, because recently YouTube have been demonetizing faceless channels. So your content has to bring value, your content has to teach a particular thing so that you don't get demonetized eventually when you get monetized. I don't know if you guys are getting it. I'm trying to take it step by step. So for the section 2, already for the section 1, I only mentioned all the apps that you need: your CapCut, your Chrome or your Firefox browser, your ElevenLabs, and then TikTok or YouTube. So section 2 is that we're going to be getting our images. So the niche that I advise you to go into is motivation niche. I'm sure you'll come across that motivation niche on TikTok mostly. I'm going to be leaving everything by the corner here so you guys can follow up. So motivation niche or the Christian faceless content. You know, a lot of people are Christians, so they want to like get encouraged every day. People are going through a lot, so they want to get encouraged every day. So you can venture into telling Bible stories, or you can just venture into encouraging people, sharing daily prayer, night prayer, Bible verses, encouragement, hope. Why motivation is like you're coming every day, you're motivating people. Do not give up, do not do that, do not do that. So another app that I failed to mention is your ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT is going to help you with all of the prompts, right? So the part 2 where I mentioned that we're going to now try to get our videos. So the section 3 is how we're going to get our videos. Particularly for this video now, I'm teaching you the Christian faceless contents. Yes, so let's say we are working with a Bible verse. Let's say we're working with Exodus 6:6, or we're working with Exodus 14:14, who say, I will fight for you. The Lord says, I'll fight for you and you shall hold your peace. So Exodus 14:14 now, all we have to go now, we're going to go over to pixel.com or Pixabay. The one I use mostly is Pixabay because like it helps me, like when I'm browsing, I get to download my stock images very fast. You understand this? I download my stock images very fast. So our advice, I use Pixabay. I'm going to leave every app in the description so it's easy for you to all follow up. So for the Pixabay, I'm going to go over and type here. So you guys just follow up with this screenshots, this screen record here. I'm going to go over here and type sunrise crowd or heavily light. Just once you just type on any of these prompts, or you just ask ChatGPT, I want to do a faceless Christian content. Give me the prompt, or give me the text to write in to get images that will match with my Christian content. They're going to like give you some text that you're going to write in Pixabay, just like you see here. Once you type on it, it's going to bring out those heavily images, forest sound, flowing waters that vibes to what you want to talk about, that makes people stay, that hook people and they want to listen to what you have to say. You understand what I'm saying? So once you just type it on Pixabay, all you have to do is click on download. It's going to download and you save it to your phone. Since I'm using a Firefox, after downloading it on Firefox, I have to click on download to save the video on my phone. If there's a way you set your phone, you can just save it directly, so it will be in your phone, right? So once we've gotten all the stock images that we want, all we have to do now is then get them done and take them to CapCut. So we're going to go to ChatGPT now. After we've selected the videos and put them on CapCut, we're going to go to, you can choose to, for YouTube, you can use the horizontal, that is like this, the way you see my video now, horizontal. While for vertical, that's for YouTube short or TikTok, you need to make it horizontal, right? I think vertical, yes, vertical. Vertical is like this, while horizontal is like this, right? So you just have to make it that. So we go to ChatGPT now. You're going to tell ChatGPT to write the script for you. So you want to tell ChatGPT to write a script encouraging Christians, or a script on Exodus 14:14 that will make people like hook the audience, or encourage people that want to watch and encourage them to stay. So just tell ChatGPT what you want to do, and ChatGPT will generate the script for you. So when ChatGPT generate the script for you now, are we in section 3? Okay, we're in section 3 now. So the ChatGPT generated the script for you. You're going to take it to ElevenLabs. Yes, everything is on the screen record. You guys just follow up and you understand. I'm just trying to like, put everything there. So it's going to take you to ElevenLabs. Once you click on ElevenLabs, like it has a paid version, but for you to start creating there, you have 10,000 credits. So when you exceed 10,000 credits, they will tell you to upgrade. So I'm sure with this method you cannot exceed 10,000 credits. You get, so you want to make sure they are using this thing events. There's a hack also to when you get to like 10,000 credits, you want to do more with that page. There's a hack. I hope I don't get a query for that, but it's not, I'm not going to say it in this video. But then you have to make sure to use the 10,000 credit that you have. Yes, so once you generate the script, take it to ElevenLabs. You're going to go to ElevenLabs, check, just ask ChatGPT what voice will make people like hook people. If people use this dark voice, that like deep, like when I say deep voice, not dark, sorry, deep voice, so that's when you're talking, because you're preaching, you're sounding authority. So you're going to copy that script from ChatGPT, you paste it to ElevenLabs, choose the voice that you want, generate it. Everything is there, so you guys follow. Once you generate it, you're going to take that voice, save it to your phone, take it to CapCut. Yes, once you take it to CapCut, all you have to do now is add the sound, like when you're adding music to your video. Add the sound, drag it to the end, make sure you added all your images, like the stock videos that you've created. Add all of them together because you're editing now, right? When you add everything together, what are you going to do next? You're going to add a sound. So for me now, if you're posting on YouTube, I will advise that you use YouTube audio library. Yes, YouTube audio library. You're going to now, so going to go to YouTube audio library. You can just ask ChatGPT what sound, like heavily sound, should I use on YouTube audio library. They're going to select for you. All you have to do is go to YouTube audio library, search the sound, and download the sound into your phone, so that when you post on YouTube, you don't get a copyright at the end of the day. That's what I always do. So I select the sound that I want. I already downloaded it. I add it to the sound. I add it to my edit already. Then I reduce the sound. Like I reduce the volume so that it does not overshadow the voiceover that we have created. So I add my voiceover, I add the sound, I make sure that I add my captions, add everything that you have to do, title your, but if you want to post for TikTok, don't add the title at the up already, because you know that once you add the title, when you come on TikTok to post, I'm also going to add the title, so you know that TikTok categorizes your video. So when you go to TikTok, just download, export that video from CapCut into your phone, then you go to TikTok and add what you want to add, add your overlay text. You can add your Exodus 14:14 at the top, then say what the video is about. If it's morning prayer for today, you can use morning prayer for today and you post it. I promise you, you're going to be getting 10k views. From 10k views to 100k, from 100k to views to 1 million views. Then also the same thing for motivation. If it's for motivation, you also go to your Pixabay, go to Pixabay, select images, tell ChatGPT to give you some, like, is it summarize for just tell ChatGPT to give you like a test for, you know, to get people motivated. Then you go to Pixabay to paste what ChatGPT are giving to you, then you'll download the videos that you have to use. So once you do all of these things, these are the only ways. Start posting your videos back to back. Like that, you're not going to get a copyright, because those videos you post on TikTok, you're going to post them on YouTube, and you're going to see, like my channel hit, my Faceless Christian channel hit 1.6k subscribers just in 1 month of post, and I was not posting every day. Imagine if you get to post like 4 videos, 4 shots every day. I'm sure you're going to be seeing massive results. You guys, if you're somebody that is free, that you don't have anything that is distracting, you don't have other channels that is taking your time, do this faceless content. I promise you're going to be seeing, you're going to be getting massive views, you're going to go viral and get monetized before you know. In just 3 weeks of consistency, I promise you're going to get monetized, because you need just 4,000 watch hours if you're doing long videos, and 1 million, 3 million or 10 million shorts to get fully monetized on YouTube. And on TikTok, you need 10,000 followers and 100,000 videos just to get monetized, and it's very, very easy to get. You guys, if there's any video you want me, any other niche you want to venture into AI, this is the one that I know that you will go viral very quickly, and you don't have to pay to use it. It's free. Yeah, this is free, I tell you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you know that this video is very helpful and like you're going to be trying this method, let me know in the comment section. If there's nothing you understand, if you have a question, also let me know in the comment section. So you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with somebody that wants to venture into AI but don't have money to start. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye. Thank you. I hope I click record. Okay.